Ain't she a beauty? That's right. That's my weeping willow bonsai. Less than a year old. It's actually a corkscrew willow, but it's still a willow and it still weeps with the aid of wires. And that is what this whole video is about basically. It is a weeping willow and they grow so vigorously that I need to wire it today, because if I leave it too late it'll be too woody and it'll break. So I brought it indoors, as you might be able to tell, and once again it is doing really well. All this growth is 8 months old. No, it's not. September it'll be a year old. Now this branch here wasn't even there when I at the beginning of spring. And look how long that is. What are we talking? 4 foot? I'd say about 4 foot. All in 1 year. Not even a year. Now I keep mentioning. That little sprout there, we'll just have him off. Like so. Don't want him. So, YouTubers, this is one of the branches in question. It is getting really strong and starting to get that corkscrew effect, which is great, but I'm worried that I won't have enough play in it come the winter to bend it how I want to bend it. So, and yeah, I did this. These are starting to grow out of this branch already, which is good. As you might be able to tell, this is a voiceover. Trying to keep up. But I have had a few Yuki Brown ales, but it makes me work better. So yeah, when I bend this, these will keep growing, and then I can weep those with other wires come winter. So let's proceed. Yep, let's proceed. First, you're going to want a wire. I don't know what gauge this is, but it is the biggest wire that I have. And just give that a good snip. You want a long bit, because even though you might not use all of it, it may come in handy to keep the weight down of the branch, which I will later show you later in the video. So, I'll be honest, I ain't got a clue how to wire. I've never watched it, never seen how it's done, never bothered to even look to see how it was done. I sort of do it my way or the highway. That's how I say things. So, if you can see past my fat hands, I'm just gently wiring the end on like so. And then, if you're a woman, I guess it's good, or it's probably a bit sexist. If you've got long hair, then it's a bit like plaiting, I guess. Which, I'm bald, so I have no hair, so I haven't got a clue how to plait. But that's a different video altogether. So if you're still with me, this is what I do. I sort of like wrap it round, but you've got to be really careful, because you don't want to get them nodes with the other little branches coming out, because they are so delicate. So I just thought I'd better talk so there's no silent pauses, so it can be very uncomfortable for YouTubers. So on the bottom of this tree there's like a branch coming out with loads of other branches, and because this tree's doing so well, I may just cut that off in the winter. It's not a definite, but it's probably a definite, in all honesty, because you've got so much going on upstairs now. You don't You don't need that bottom branch. Oh yeah. Got to have a drink now and again if you're starting to get a bit shaky hands. And that's the least of your problems. No, that's the worst of your problems when you're wiring something so delicate that you should really be doing in the winter. This is a winter job. But I do guess the good thing about doing this in the summer is you can see where the nodes are, so you can wrap around them more easily than if you could in the winter, because you can't see them, because it's just a piece of string basically, isn't it? Yeah. So I'm getting there. I am getting there, slowly but surely. A good thing about the corkscrew willow is this lovely red colour coming off the bark. It's truly splendid, isn't it? It really looks gorgeous. So I'm going to fast forward this bit because I've run out of shit to say. Oh, sorry for my language. I've run out of things to say. Yeah. But I'm getting there. I'm getting there with my confidence. One day at a time. Rome wasn't built in a day. Just like this weeping willow wasn't built in a day. Oh, I think we're here. So this is the effect. YouTubers. You see how the weight is keeping that down. Now I know what some of you may be saying under your breath. Oh, there's going to be too much weight there. Oh, that might just snap in the winter. And yeah, it is an issue that I have thought about meticulously. So yeah, that is a thought that it could snap. So maybe it may need. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know what to do. We'll see. But for today's bonsai video, I want to wire one more down that I'm concerned about because it's just getting really tough and I'm worried. But look, that looks good. I think that looks good. Do you think that looks good? If you think it looks good, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe either. Yeah, because there'll be more of this bad boy to come. But yeah, that is the one in question. So, without further ado, we will start. But you gotta have a little drinky, calm them nerves. Right, let's go. Hello, I'm back. See, and pauses are uncomfortable, aren't they? But I've zoomed in a bit better on this attempt of the wiring, so you can sort of get a better look of how I'm not meant to be doing it. Meant to be doing it? No idea. As long as I don't damage the tree, we're all happy. It is fiddly. It is fiddly. Yeah, I won't lie. It is very fiddly because I'm worried. I don't want to break it. Put my heart and soul into this baby. It's a great looking tree, if I do say so myself. And it's great. That's what I mean. It's great having a bonsai because you can watch it grow from year to year. With this particular bonsai, it's not even been an effing year. Do you know what I mean? Like last September, and that was from a cutting, which you'll find all those videos on my channel. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Once again, Gizzy Green Fingers. yeah, so I think I'll fast forward this a little because it's getting a bit boring. And there we have it, a wired tree. Well, semi-wired. I'll go with semi-wired. Now this is the fun part, adjusting your camera so you'll be able to see me bend it into the curve I want. You gotta be gentle. Now, alright, that looks crap, so you will have to readjust. And the extra weight will keep that bend, like I was saying before. It's great. It's great. And if you've got length of wire on the bottom, that's even better because that'll keep it down. Like so. That looks great. Wow. Why do I succeed in everything I do? Now that does look good though, doesn't it? I won't lie. I won't lie. So well, we'll just see a few more months. We'll see how many more of these sort of grow out of control in 40-degree heat. Do you know what I mean? And I may have to wire more, but it's like watch this space, i.e. subscribe. Don't miss a video. But look at that. I love this. I love it. I hope you do too. I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. There may be more to come if I get enough likes. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Use your green fingers.